Amanda.
Yeah, Amanda.
This is all from the,
It's on that.
yeah, from the donations. Got it. You know, cool. So this is separate. Yeah, it's something.
Excuse me, Miss Librarian.
Yes, how can I help you?
Speak up.
Would you like to carry this indie kids in your library?
Let's have a look. Wow, into kids, I've never seen anything like this before. Same-sex marriage becomes legal? Pirates on Somali seas, Peru's ex-president sentenced to 25 years in jail? Is this a newspaper about political opinion? Well, I'm not so sure. You know, it looks kind of flimsy, and I'm afraid that the kids, when they open it, their pages are going to come out. And to tell you the truth, I'm not sure we really have space for this in our library. Do you know if this was approved by the New York Public Library?
No.
You know, I better check with my supervisor just to make sure. I'm really sorry, but I'm not going to be able to carry this in our branch.
Brian, get off the grass. Get off the grass. I was telling him to get off the grass. Oh, hi, Pedro. Hey, how are you?
Since I hear you're talking about a little Brian boy, I was wondering if you could give
What's
to
this?
Brian.
Oh, it's very nice. Oh, yes, I heard you work on this. Yes, very nice. Oh, but I don't know about giving this to my kids because it talks about torture and slaughter and about, well, justice and stuff. I don't know.
Peace.
I'm afraid that this is all going to scare Brian and the other kids. I'm just not sure if they're right for it right now. Maybe when they're a little older. Thanks, though, Pedro.
Hi, teacher. You're supposed to have your opinion out. Or whatever.
Hi, Pedro. How are you doing today?
Good. Would you like to carry this in your classroom and like get it for like media coverage or something?
Let me take a look.
More space than me.
I don't know, Pedro. It looks a little unbalanced. Parents might complain too. I don't know if we can take it in class. I'm sorry. Here you go. Sorry, Pedro.
What's the matter?
Hi, Pedro. I don't know. We're doing lots of tests in school. And I've studied a lot, but I don't think I know much about things that matter. I wish I had something inspiring to do.
Like maybe indie kids.
Oh, this is perfect.
Wonderful. Good. Well, maybe kids will get better.
What was that?
Maybe kids like it better. Oh, yeah, what's happening?
That was our skit. Thank you. So all of the things that the three of us said have been heard over and over by Indie Kids people, nervous teachers and parents and librarians who refuse to have Indie Kids in the classroom in the school when there are all kinds of other materials like Time for Kids and Nintendo Power Magazine that promote consumerism and definitely have biases. So Indie Kids,
It is upsetting.
yes.
Yeah, there you go.
So there to counter all of that. So please continue to support Indie Kids. I'll pass around the can. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yay. And now, last international. Hold on.
Oh, they have good.
Oh, they did?
Well done.